Good morning, students. Welcome to the Greenfield School and College online class. Today I'm gonna revise the chapter 7 because it was not in your pretest exam. So I just want to discuss it in short, and also I'll give you some questions, short MCQ questions. So important MCQ I just found out in your test paper. So let's continue the class. Chapter 7, it is the industries of the organization. Okay. Okay, at first I just revise the chapter. Chapter 7, Industries of Bangladesh. Here from the first para you can just find the one information is necessary, that is the what is the raw material for say cement making process. What is the raw material for cement making process? The answer is stone. That means from this para you can just find out the answer. Here these stones are the Nafis elder uncle is an engineer in a cement factory at Chatok. During the vacation, Nafis, along with his parents and cousins, went to visit his uncle. His uncle took him with his other cousins to show how the cement is prepared. Nafis noticed that piles of stones there. His uncle informed that numerous numbers of stones are coming from India every day. These stones are the raw materials for making cement. So this is the point. This is the important information from this para. What is the raw material for cement making process? The stone is the raw material for cement making process. Then another important information you can say. These stones are converted into cement with various processes. The cement of Chatok is very good in quality. Chatok cement industry is an important industry in Bangladesh. So that is another important MCQ for your exam. Chatok, which one is the important industry in Bangladesh? Chatok cement industry is an important industry in Bangladesh. That means from this para we can get two important MCQ. First one is what is the raw material for cement making process? The answer is stone. And second one is what is important industry in Bangladesh? Chatok cement industry is the important industry in Bangladesh. Classification of industry, I think you can remember classification of industry. That means according to the Industrial Act 2010, there are, or in a broader sense you can say, there are two types of industry. First one is manufacturing industry and second one is service industry. Generally, industry is the process of converting raw materials or primary products into secondary or finished goods using heavy capital investment or other materials. So that is called the industry. Industry is the means of production. What is the means of production? The industry is the means of production. It is the process of converting raw materials to the primary or secondary goods, or you can say finished goods. So that is industry. And national industry policy, which year last national industry policy just established? 2010. And according to this policy, there are in broad sense or mainly the industry can be divided into two parts. First one is manufacturing industry and second one is service industry. Manufacturing industry, you know that production, processing, addition and later refinement and processing of produced goods all are included in the manufacturing industry. That means in manufacturing industry, raw materials are processed into finished goods using labor and technology. That means you are using human or non-human materials to convert the raw materials into finished goods for consumers. So that is called manufacturing industry. Some example like garments industry, sugar industry, jute and jute products industry, fertilizer industry, cement industry, leather industry, shipbuilding industry, rail and engineering industry, all are examples of manufacturing industries. That means here this type of industry, in these industries you can making the raw materials into finished goods. That's why it is called manufacturing industry. On the other hand, service industry is using the machineries, fixed assets, or you're using intellectual properties. The service related activities are provided by the industries are included in service industry. That means service related work when you are providing service to the consumers by using the machineries or fixed assets or you can say intellectual properties, that is called service industry. That means fishing, construction and housing, automobile servicing, entertainment industry, horticulture, floriculture, flower cultivation and marketing, milk and poultry rearing and marketing, hospital and clinic, tourism, transportation, communication. Those are the service industry. That means you are also using the fixed assets, machineries or intellectual properties to provide or to distribute the service, to deliver the service to the consumers. So that is called service industry. When you are something that means the activities which are related to giving the services to the consumers is called the service industry. And also in here you can use the materials, human, non-human materials. So you think you have to think clearly when you find out whether it is manufacturing industry or it is service industry. So in broader sense you can say there are two types of industry, that is first one is manufacturing industry and second one is service industry. On the basis of investment you can these manufacturing and service industry can be divided into four categories on the basis of investment. When you measure the capital, when you find out the capital or number of labor, then on the basis of investment you can divide the manufacturing and service industry into four categories. First one is cottage industry, small industry, medium industry and large industry. These are four categories of industry on the basis of investment, and you have to just remember the number of workers and the amount of capital. These are the important information, or these are very much important for your MCQ questions. Number of capital, number of laborers and amount of capital. That is the thing, that is the main major information from this chapter. And also you can get a creative question, one question from this chapter. You can get it. You must get it. Cottage industry refers to those industry that means cottage industry is family based industry where capital amount is less than 5 lakh taka, 5 lakh taka, and the number of labor, that means the family member, you can say that the laborers are also the family member. So number of labor is not more than 10. So that is the cottage industry. Cottage industry mainly the family based industry. The capital amount is not maximum 5 lakh taka, not more than 5 lakh taka, and হচ্ছে number of laborer is not more than 10. So that is known as cottage industry, and generally cottage industry is operated by the family members like husband, wife, son, daughter, brothers, sisters and other members of the family, and they are engaged in maybe full-time job or part-time job. They are engaged in the job for full-time or part-time basis. So this is the definition or features of the cottage industry. So just try to remember the amount of capital and number of laborers. In cottage industry, amount of capital is not more than 5 lakh taka and the number of laborers is not more than 10. So that is cottage industry. Then suitable areas for cottage industry in Bangladesh: jute based industry, bamboo and cane industry, pottery, weaving and garments industry, food and supporting industry, handicrafts industry, shell industry, small steel and engineering industry, chemical and pharmaceutical industry. Those are the suitable areas for cottage industry. Just memorize some name from this chart. Okay, small industry, in here you can see that small, large and small, medium and large, these three industries are divided into two parts: manufacturing based and service based. When you in here small industry, at first if you think about the manufacturing side, or if you based on the manufacturing perspective, the capital amount is 50 lakh to 10 crore taka and labor is 25 to 99. That is called small industry. তার মানে হচ্ছে যে উৎপাদনমুখী স্মল ইন্ডাস্ট্রির ক্ষেত্রে, ম্যানুফ্যাকচারিং স্মল ইন্ডাস্ট্রির ক্ষেত্রে ক্যাপিটাল অ্যামাউন্ট ইজ 50 লাখ টাকা থেকে 10 কোটি টাকা, 50 লাখ থেকে 10 কোটি, আর শ্রমিক সংখ্যা হচ্ছে 25 থেকে 99 জন। it is manufacturing small industry. The 50 lakh to 10 crore and the number of worker is 25 to 99. But in case of service small industry, the amount of capital is 5 lakh to 1 crore and the number of worker is 10 to 25. That means in service small industry, number of worker is 10 to 25 and the capital amount is 5 lakh to 1 crore. তার মানে দেখো উৎপাদনমুখী ক্ষুদ্র শিল্পের ক্ষেত্রে, উৎপাদনমুখী ম্যানুফ্যাকচারিং স্মল ইন্ডাস্ট্রির ক্ষেত্রে ক্যাপিটাল অ্যামাউন্ট হচ্ছে 50 লাখ থেকে 10 কোটি টাকা আর ওয়ার্কার হচ্ছে কত 25 থেকে 99 জন। কিন্তু সার্ভিস বা সেবামূলক স্মল ইন্ডাস্ট্রির ক্ষেত্রে, সার্ভিস স্মল ইন্ডাস্ট্রির ক্ষেত্রে মূলধন হচ্ছে 5 লাখ থেকে 1 কোটি টাকা এবং সদস্য সংখ্যা হচ্ছে 10 থেকে 25 জন। দেন কাম টু দ্য মিডিয়াম ইন্ডাস্ট্রি। Manufacturing medium industry, the capital amount is টাকা 10 crore to 30 crore, তার মানে হচ্ছে 10 কোটি থেকে 30 কোটি টাকা and the number of laborer is 100 to 250, 100 থেকে 250 জন। But in service medium industry, capital amount is 1 crore to 15 crore, 1 crore to 15 crore and the number of worker is 50 to 100। তার মানে উৎপাদনমুখী মাঝারি শিল্পের ক্ষেত্রে হচ্ছে মূলধন হচ্ছে কত 10 কোটি থেকে 30 কোটি অ্যান্ড নাম্বার অফ লেবার হচ্ছে 100 থেকে 250 জন। and in case of service medium industry, the capital amount is 1 কোটি থেকে 15 কোটি এবং ওয়ার্কার হচ্ছে কত 50 থেকে 100 জন। so these are the information, these are the basic information from the medium industry. And medium industry, manufacturing medium industry, the capital amount is 10 crore to 30 crore, number of labor is 100 to 250 and in case of service medium industry, the amount is 1 crore to 15 crore and worker is 50 to 100. So please try to remember it, try to memorize it. These are the numbers, these are the important information for your MCQ. It is also necessary for your CQ question because these questions are appeared as short question, number 1 mark question, knowledge based question or comprehensive question, so that's why you have to remember it. Okay, suitable areas of the small and medium industry: food and food based products, garments, jute and jute goods, forest industry, printing and publishing industry, leather, rubber industry, small steel and engineering industry, cold storage, glass and ceramic, chemical and pharmaceutical. Those are the suitable areas for small and medium industry. And problems, what are the problems in our country or in the context of Bangladesh for small and medium industries? The problems mainly traditional concepts to the small and medium industry or traditional thinking, traditional idea about the business, want of raw materials, there are scarcity of raw materials, the lack of financial support, availability of huge foreign goods, dependency on huge foreign goods in the local market, poor transportation system, lack of support, government facilities. So these are the problems in the context of Bangladesh in our country. Contribution of cottage small and medium industries to the economy of Bangladesh, you can see from this para. One important MCQ, very much important MCQ is just follow the pointer. Almost 96% of the industries of the country are included in cottage small and medium size industry. These are most familiar and popular MCQ from this chapter. What percentage of the industries are included in cottage small and medium industries? That is the answer, 96%. Almost 96% is industries of the country are included in cottage small and medium size industries. Okay, so 96%, remember the number 96%. Contribution of cottage small and medium industry, obviously it is contributing to the country because it developing the economical financial you can say financial standard of the social people of the country. Then it is giving the employment opportunities, it is removing the eradicate the you can say employment problem of the country. It is it is developing the standard of living of the people. Also more industry, that means more taxes to the government, more tax are paying to the government, so government can use those taxes as a good work of or good better development for the country. So you can say these types of activities are because of small cottage industries, because of small industries, the name of our country is spreading over the world, so everyone can know better about our country. So these are the contribution of cottage, small and medium industries to the economy of Bangladesh. It is helping to strong the economy of the Bangladesh. Things to do for the development of cottage, small and medium industry. What steps should be done for the development of cottage, small industries or medium industries? That means certainty to ensuring the availability of raw material. That means you have to ensure the flexible distribution of raw materials, or you can say availability of raw materials is must, so that businessman can get the raw materials easily. A good transportation system is very much necessary. Market proximity, market is necessary for collecting raw materials, also your selling your products to the consumers, so market is necessary. Sufficient supply of labor is necessary. Sufficient supply of labor is must for the development of the small cottage and medium industry. Transportation, good transportation facilities is must, because when you are collecting raw materials, when you are delivering goods to the consumer, that means transportation is must. Transportation facilities is must. Emphasis on local and foreign both demands. That means the local demands and foreign demands, both things should be prioritized, because when government should provide facilities so that businessmen can export the products to the foreign countries or to the abroad. And also availability of capital, the common problem which new businessmen or new entrepreneurs just facing, and that is the lack of the capital. So capital providing facilities is must for the new businessman and as well as existing businessman. Availability of capital is necessary. The comfortable bank loan, easy bank loan is necessary. Sources of financing is must for the businessman. Government facilities, government should provide some facilities so that the new businessman can get you can say start the business. New businessman can start the business comfortably, and also existing businessman can run the business effectively, successfully. So government facilities is must. And also exporting products to the foreign countries, the government must help the businessman. So these are the steps should be taken to develop the small cottage and medium industries. Now come to the large industries. The manufacturing large industries, capital amount is 30 crore, more than 30 crore টাকা, 30 crore and more, তার মানে হচ্ছে 30 কোটি বা 30 কোটির বেশি ক্যাপিটাল। উৎপাদনমুখী বৃহৎ শিল্পের ক্ষেত্রে, ম্যানুফ্যাকচারিং লার্জ ইন্ডাস্ট্রির ক্ষেত্রে মূলধন হচ্ছে 30 crore and more, লেবার সংখ্যা হচ্ছে 250 and more, 250 or more, তার মানে হচ্ছে 200, শ্রমিকের সংখ্যা হচ্ছে 250 বা তার বেশি, আর মূলধন হচ্ছে 30 কোটি বা তার বেশি। আর সার্ভিস লার্জ ইন্ডাস্ট্রির ক্ষেত্রে, in case of service large industry, capital is 15 crore or more, and number of worker is 100 or more, তার মানে হচ্ছে ক্যাপিটাল হচ্ছে 15 কোটি বা তার বেশি, আর শ্রমিকের সংখ্যা হচ্ছে 100 বা 100-র বেশি। So these are the large industry, and in our country there are various types of large industries like fertilizer, cement, paper, electricity, garments, steel, pharmaceutical. So these are the large industries. Importance of large industries in the socio-economic context: it providing employment opportunity, it building, it developing the standard of living of the people, it is providing the more large industries, that means more tax should be paid to the government. Then also it is helping the economical condition of the country. So you can say large industries play a vital role in our country. Developed and underdeveloped area in our country, so every area is not developed. Some are developed, some are underdeveloped. So you can find out a chart in here that in Dhaka division, developed districts, which are developed district and which are underdeveloped district, like Dhaka, Narayanganj, Narsingdi and Gazipur. These are industrial areas, so that these are very much developed district. But underdeveloped districts are in Dhaka division: Jamalpur, Sherpur, Netrokona, Kishoreganj, Mymensingh, Tangail, Rajbari. These are underdeveloped. In Chittagong, Coxsbazar, Brahmanbaria, Chatpur, Kumilla, Feni, Noakhali, Lakshmipur. These are the developed districts. But Khagrachari, Rangamati, Bandharban, that means hill area, hill tracts or hilly sides, those are the underdeveloped area. So this is the chart. Just read the chart once. Exercise, you know the exercise answer. When was the last national industrial policy declared? 2010. Which of the following is small industry? Small industry is fixed asset installation cost টাকা 5 lakh to 1 crore. তার মানে capital amount is 5 lakh থেকে 1 কোটি টাকা হচ্ছে small industry. This is number C is answer. Mr. Sadif makes various kinds of showpiece with mud with the help of his family members and sells those in his shop and earns profit. The neighbors of Mr. Sadif have also been encouraged to form this type of industry. Obviously, it is a family-based industry. That means it is the cottage industry. Mr. Sadif contributes to the national economy, employment generation, enhancement of standard of living to preserve the tradition of the country. All three are right. So answer is number D, 1, 2 and 3. How many types of industry are there in broader sense? We know there are 2 types of industry. What do you understand by service industry? You will find it in the chapter. What is the type of Mr. Rashik's industry considering investment? Okay, let's read the stem. Rashik established an industry of jute and jute goods with an investment of Taka 11 crore at Fulpur village in Mymensingh district in Dhaka division, which is a famous place for jute cultivation. That means where যেখানে জুট পাট ভালো জন্মে সেখানেই রাশিক একটা কি ইন্ডাস্ট্রি দিল, পাটজাত দ্রব্যের ইন্ডাস্ট্রি দিল। তার ফ্রেন্ড রাফি established the same industry with the same investment in Rajshahi where sugarcane is grown amply. তার বন্ধু রাশিকের বন্ধু রাফি কি করলো, ভুল কাজ করলো। সে কি করলো, রাজশাহী যেখানে আখ ভালো হয় সেখানে গিয়ে সে 11 কোটি টাকা খরচ করে সে একটা পাটজাত দ্রব্যের কারখানা দিল। তাহলে দিস ইজ দ্য wrong decision. After a certain period of time, Rashik's company made more profit than Rafi. Obviously, Rashik's company will make more profit because Rashik took the good decision. But where Rafi was wrong. So that is the answer. What is the type of Mr. Rashik's industry considering investment? Obviously, that means it is 11 crore. That means the answer is this is the medium industry. This is medium industry. The answer is what is the type of Mr. Rashik's industry considering investment? This is medium industry. At first you have to write down the Mr. Rashik's industry is medium industry. Then you have to put the definition of the medium industry, the capital amount, number of laborers. Then you have to relate it with the stem. উদ্দীপকের সাথে রিলেট করবে, তারপরে ফিনিশিং লাইন দেবে। নাম্বার ডি, অ্যানালাইজ দ্য রিজনস ফর রাশিকস ইন্ডাস্ট্রি মেকিং মোর প্রফিট। কারণ কি রাশিকের ইন্ডাস্ট্রি যে ভালো প্রফিট করলো, কেন করলো? বিকজ ইট ইজ দ্য রাইট সিলেকশন অফ দ্য প্লেস, রাইট সিলেকশন অফ দ্য প্রোডাক্ট, সো দ্যাটস ওয়াই রাশিক মেড মোর প্রফিট। তার মানে হচ্ছে এখানে 2টা পয়েন্ট নিয়ে তোমাকে আলোচনা করতে হবে। অ্যানালাইজ দ্য রিজন। দ্য রিজনস আর, ফার্স্ট ওয়ান ইজ রাইট সিলেকশন অফ দ্য প্রোডাক্ট, রাইট সিলেকশন অফ দ্য place. So that's why Rashik made many more profit in short notice or in short time. Considering the continuous demand for electricity, Ms. Jarin Tasnim set up a windmill for producing electricity at Cox's Bazar, taking permission from the government. সরকারের কাছ থেকে অনুমতি নিয়ে কক্সবাজারে একটি বিদ্যুৎ তৈরি করার জন্য উইন্ডমিল স্থাপন করলো। she supplied the electricity produced from using the sea wind টু ডিফারেন্ট প্লেসেস। তার মানে সমুদ্রের বাতাস ব্যবহার করে যে বিদ্যুৎ তৈরি করছে সেটা সে বিভিন্ন এলাকায় সাপ্লাই করছে। হার ইনভেস্টমেন্ট ইন দিস ইন্ডাস্ট্রি ইজ মোর দ্যান টাকা 3 crore। তার বিনিয়োগ হচ্ছে এখানে 3 কোটি টাকা। আচ্ছা, হাউ মেনি টাইপস অফ ইন্ডাস্ট্রি আর দেয়ার অন দ্য বেসিস অফ ইনভেস্টমেন্ট? দেয়ার আর 4 টাইপস অফ ইন্ডাস্ট্রি। what do you understand by cottage industry? It is clearly mentioned in your chapter. What is the type of Miss Gerence industry? This is the service based medium industry. The answer is this is service. Miss Gerence industry is service based medium industry. Then you have to write down the definition of service based medium industry, like what is the capital amount, what is the number of laborers. Then you have to relate it to the stem, and after that you should conclude the answer. Clear? Then number D, that the economy of the country shall be progressive with the help of Miss Jarin's industry. Obviously, because it is providing distributing electricity. Electricity is must for the developing of a country. Using electricity, all the offices, all the factories, all the household chores are comfortably done, and when production will increase, more profit will increase, more tax will be paid to the government, more employment opportunities will be provided to the country. The economy obviously gets strengthened by the development from the development of Jarin's industry. So just write down like this. That is the answer of the exercise portion. Now these are the important MCQ question. What is industry? Industry is means of production. What is service-based small industries? You know service-based small industry. You will find it from the chapter. What is the cottage industry mainly based on? Cottage industry is mainly family-based. What is the production industry or manufacturing industry? You will find it from the chapter. What is the name of the industry? Where number of laborers is not more than 10. This is cottage industry. Which industry is engaged in part-time production or service? Answer is also cottage industry. How many methods are there in project selection process? There are 2 types of method in project selection process. What does the difference between buying and selling mean? The difference between buying and selling mean the profit. Which industry is a symbol of pride and tradition for the nation? It is the answer is cottage industry. What is the raw material for cement making? The stones are the raw material for cement making. How many ways is the industry divided in broad sense? There are 2 types of industry: manufacturing and service industry. What kind of cement industry is it? Cement industry is large industry. Which national industrial policy is followed in Bangladesh? Industrial policy 2010 is followed in Bangladesh. What is the capital and labor of the production based small industry? Production based small industry, you can find out 50 lakh to 1 crore. Production by 50 lakh to 10 crore. And the number of labor, what is the capital and labor of the production based small industry? Capital is 50 lakh to 10 crore and number of labor is 25 to 99. In how many sectors is industry divided according to the national industrial policy? According to national industrial policy, the industry can be divided in 2 ways: manufacturing and service. Which is called as the means of production? Industry is called as the means of production. How many types of medium industry? Medium industry is classified in 2 types: manufacturing medium industry and service medium industry. What are the number of workers in the production oriented medium industry? Number of workers in production oriented medium industry is 100 to 250, 100 থেকে 250 জন। প্রোডাকশন ওরিয়েন্টেড মিডিয়াম বা ম্যানুফ্যাকচারিং ওরিয়েন্টেড মিডিয়াম ইন্ডাস্ট্রিতে লেবারের সংখ্যা হচ্ছে 100 থেকে 250 জন। হোয়াট আর দ্য লেবার ইন্টেন্সিভ অর লেবার বেসড ইন্ডাস্ট্রিজ? দ্য লেবার ইন্টেন্সিভ অ্যান্ড লেবার বেসড ইন্ডাস্ট্রিজ আর স্মল কটেজ অ্যান্ড মিডিয়াম ইন্ডাস্ট্রিজ। দোজ আর দ্য লেবার বেসড অর লেবার ইন্টেন্সিভ ইন্ডাস্ট্রি, মানে শ্রমঘন ইন্ডাস্ট্রি যাকে বলছে, ঠিক আছে। Cottage, small and medium industries are labor based or labor intensive industries. What is the worker and the capital in the service oriented medium industry? Service oriented medium industry, the capital amount is 1 koti 1 crore to 15 crore and the number of labor is 50 to 100. What is the service industry? You can find it from the book. How many types of the industry can be divided in terms of investment? In terms of investment, there are 4 types of industry. What is the percentage of cottage, small and medium industry in Bangladesh? 96%. is cottage small and medium industry in Bangladesh. What type industry phenol making is? Phenol making is a small industry. Phenol making is, sorry, cottage industry. Phenol making is cottage industry. When you will find it from the chart after given on your chapter after cottage industry. Suitable areas for cottage industry, you can find the answer in the chart. What is an important industry in Bangladesh? Chatok cement factory is an important industry in Bangladesh. So these are the common MCQ questions from this chapter. I hope you don't face any problem. Just try to remember the number of amount of capital and number of laborers of the industries, different types of industries, and all, just using those information you can write down the definition also. So that is the main thing from this chapter. And also find the classification of the, just try to remember the classification of the industry in broader sense or in the basis of, on the basis of investment. So these are the common and basic information for this chapter. Okay, that's all for today. See you in next class. Till then, bye bye.